Well, hello everybody. It's Artist King here, back with another video. It is 2022 and I hope that everybody is doing well. Those of you that have New Year's resolution, I hope you haven't given up yet. So anyway, I decided to give you guys a collage art today, a collage art piece, because I realized that I do have some followers that it seems like they prefer the collage art, and I don't think they really like the too much the change that I made. So I'm gonna try and mix it up a little bit because there are some people who are loving the pencil drawing, and I guess there's some people who's not. So I'm gonna mix it up a little bit so you get a little bit of everything. You get different things each week. But like I said before, my main focus will continue to be um, the pencil drawings. So, for those of you who had well wishes, I am over my COVID that I had for like 3-4 days. I had mild symptoms. I am doing fine. And thank God I do not have any after effects. Like, some people have lost their taste, they've had heart issues and stuff. I have been blessed to not have any of those things. So, I'm super thankful to God for that. But anyway, to those of you that are still suffering or struggling, I pray that you get better. And I pray as you get better that there will be no lingering side effects. Okay? So this video today is a simple collage art. I've titled her Lady Versace. And I hope you enjoy it. Again, it's something really simple that I hope you guys would, try to do something on your own, or just try to do something that's creative. Trust me, once you get to doing it, you're really gonna start enjoying it. So anyway, this is not a very long video, so please do not forget to like the video. This helps YouTube to show it to more people, and I get more, likes and all that good stuff. You guys know how it goes. And don't forget to leave a comment. I love to see comments. I love to get feedback. So please leave a comment if you decide to. And most of all, do not forget to subscribe. I need you guys to subscribe, to like the videos, to comment. So anyway, I am going to sign off for now. Please stay till the end. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you to my old subscribers, my new subscribers, the people who just watch the videos but don't subscribe. Thank you guys for coming back each week. Okay, so you guys have a good week. Remember, I post Saturdays and I post Tuesdays. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Okay, all right, bye now.